Wildlife refers to all living organisms that are not domesticated and exist naturally in the wild. This includes animals, birds, insects, plants, fungi, and microorganisms. Wildlife plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. It contributes to various ecosystems by pollination, seed dispersal, and controlling insect populations. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect wildlife species from extinction due to habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and poaching. Wildlife conservation aims to preserve natural habitats and ensure the survival of diverse species for future generations. Wildlife conservation is essential to preserving endangered species and protecting their habitats. Conservation efforts focus on preventing extinction, restoring habitats, and raising awareness about the importance of wildlife in our ecosystem. Human activities, such as deforestation, pollution, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade, pose significant threats to various species, making conservation efforts vital to ensuring the survival of diverse wildlife populations. Conservation efforts are essential to protect wildlife species from extinction due to factors such as habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and poaching. Many countries have established national parks, wildlife reserves, and protected areas to conserve and preserve their native wildlife. Wildlife is an essential part of our planet's ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and ecological balance. These organisms play unique roles in their respective habitats, from pollinating plants to controlling insect populations and balancing predator-prey relationships. Animals in the wild are incredibly diverse, ranging from the tiniest insects to the majestic elephants and whales. They inhabit various ecosystems, from dense rainforests to vast deserts and icy polar regions. Each species has unique adaptations to survive in its specific environment. Wildlife plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. They contribute to ecosystem health by pollinating plants, dispersing seeds, and controlling insect populations. Many animals are also keystone species, meaning their presence is vital for the stability and diversity of their ecosystems. Reproduction. The animals reproduce both sexually and asexually. Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of gametes, sperm and egg cells, from two parents, leading to genetic diversity. Asexual reproduction methods include budding, fragmentation, and parthenogenesis. Movement. Most animals are capable of movement at some point in their lives. This movement can range from simple muscle contractions in smaller animals to complex locomotion in larger animals. The sensitive animals have various sensory organs, such as eyes, ears, nose, and proprioceptors, which help them perceive the environment. Different wildlife animals are fascinating creatures that inhabit various ecosystems around the world. They play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of nature and contribute to the overall biodiversity of our planet. Is there something specific you would like to know or discuss about wildlife animals? Certainly, animals are a diverse group of organisms found across the world. They are multicellular, eukaryotic organisms, and are a part of the kingdom Animalia. Animals exhibit a wide range of characteristics, behaviors, and adaptations that allow them to survive in various environments. They can be broadly categorized into different classes, such as mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, among others. Animals are known for their ability to move, which sets them apart from plants. They also typically have specialized sensory organs, nervous systems, and the ability to respond to stimuli in the environment. Animals reproduce both sexually and asexually, and they undergo various life cycles, including metamorphosis in some species. Animals play crucial roles in ecosystems as predators, prey, pollinators, and decomposers. They provide food, materials, and companionship to humans and are an integral part of our natural world. Animals come in various sizes, from microscopic organisms like plankton to enormous creatures like whales. Each species has unique characteristics and behaviors that make them fascinating and diverse. If you have specific questions about a particular animal or group of animals, feel free to. Wild animals encompass a vast array of species, each adapted to specific environments and exhibiting unique behaviors. From the iconic African savanna with lions, elephants, and giraffes to the depths of the ocean inhabited by diverse marine life, the animal kingdom is incredibly diverse. Some animals, like tigers and pandas, are endangered, emphasizing the importance of conservation efforts. Whether in rainforests, deserts, or polar regions, animals play vital roles in ecosystems, contributing to the planet's biodiversity and balance. If you have specific questions about certain animals or topics within the animal kingdom, feel free to ask. There are many dangerous animals in the world, including lions, tigers, crocodiles, snakes, and sharks. It's important to be cautious and informed when you're in an area where these animals operate. It's important to note that an animal's danger to humans often depends on the context and the specific circumstances. In the wild, many animals will not pose a threat unless they are provoked or feel threatened. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and respect when encountering any wild animal to avoid dangerous situations. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.